Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma design. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to set up your canvas dimensions to match your project's needs, perhaps for a mobile app or website. Next, use frames to organize your layout, thinking of them as individual screens or components. Finally, bring in any images, logos, or icons you'll need to populate your design. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Now, let's dive into crafting your user interface elements. Figma offers powerful tools for drawing shapes, adding text, and creating buttons. Experiment with different colors, gradients, and shadows to give your elements depth and character. Remember to keep your design consistent. Group related layers and name them clearly. This practice is essential for maintaining an organized and easy-to-navigate file, especially as your project grows. With your design elements in place, it's time to bring your creation to life through prototyping. Link your frames together to show how users will navigate through your design from one screen to the next. Add subtle animations and transitions to make the interactions feel smooth and realistic. Once your prototype is ready, share it with others to gather valuable feedback. This iterative process helps refine your design before development. Finally, it's time to refine and prepare your design for handoff. Double-check for consistency in spacing, typography, and color usage across all screens. Ensure your design meets usability and accessibility guidelines for a broad audience. When everything looks perfect, export your assets in the correct formats and resolutions for developers. And hey, for those long design sessions, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.